Hi guys, welcome back to Love and Shimmer once again. I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine in this weird changing weather. Somewhere it's hot and somewhere it's raining hailstorms. So yeah, I hope you guys are doing well in that. Apart from that, today's video is going to be an unboxing video and I'm so excited for this unboxing. I'll let you guys know as we open the box and all. So today's unboxing will be of February GlamEgo Box, and this is the box. I know what all products I'm gonna receive because there was a sneak peek on Instagram, and the best part of this month's box is a very exciting surprise element in this month's box. So watch till the end to know what is it. So this month's box looks like this. It's a very pretty black and navy blue color box on which it's written deep clean over here. So yeah, one more thing, if you order your GlamEgo box this month, you can choose your own box. Like, you don't have to settle with the box which they send. So you have choices in the box as well. So yeah, let me open the box. Here is the info card. So the first product I'm going to talk about is anti-acne soap from Acne's, the acne specialist. I have received a product from Acne's before. I think it was in the GlamEgo box itself. It was their oil control face wash and I really loved it. It actually helped me to reduce oil. As you guys know that I have an oily texture of my skin. So it really helped me reduce the oiliness on my face. So yeah, this is 75 gram of product. It's a soap actually. I've never used a soap on my face before. So yeah, let me see if this works for me. So it contains white tea and licorice. Licorice, as you guys know, it helps you to remove tan and whiten your skin. So yeah, really excited to use this. And they have also mentioned that it can be used on face, chest and back. So that's a good thing. And the MRP for this one is 99 rupees. Then we have a product which is from BioBloom. It's their skincare face oil which is a age-defying radiance booster. It's 100% natural and it's a 15 ml of product. And the price for this one is 1,499, which is almost the triple amount you pay. You just pay 399 rupees and you're getting only one product worth 1,499, which is a really good catch. So yeah, I'm really excited to use this. Though I don't use face oils much because I have oily skin and I have this feeling that if I use any face oil on my skin, I'll break out. So I don't know. I have that misconception in my mind. But anyways, I'll just give it a try for this one because it's a radiance booster and I love natural glow on my skin. So I'm definitely gonna give this a try and I'll let you know on my Instagram how I feel about this product. So if you guys are not following me on my Instagram, I'll mention it here. Please go check out my Instagram. I do upload some post here and there. So yeah, if you like it, then do follow me, and also if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, then do subscribe it there and also hit that bell button so that you're always notified whenever I upload a video. Now moving on, we have two makeup products this month. So the first product is from Bella Voste. It's their Sheer Creme Lust lipstick. I have received a lot of Bella Voste lipsticks in GlamEgo box and I actually love their lipsticks because it's so comfortable on the lips and I love the coloring. So this month I have received a lipstick in the shade Celebrity and the number is 18. Let's open and see what is the color. So this is how the packaging looks like. It's the usual Bella Voste packaging. It's a very decent packaging, I can say. And the shade is beautiful, guys. It's a very daily wear type of shade. I love these kind of shades. I always keep aside these shades and use it on daily basis. So yeah, this is the shade and I really love it. And as it's mentioned, it's a creme lipstick. It's not completely matte. So yeah, this is the third product and the price for this one is 225 rupees. Then the star of this month's box is this lipstick from Starstruck, which is by Sunny Leone. It's Sunny Leone's brand and they have exclusively launched on GlamEgo for GlamEgo subscribers. On the packaging, it's written exclusively for GlamEgo. So yeah, I'm really excited for this one. And the shade I've received is Caramello. It's a nude brown shade, which I love. I'm really happy with the shade as well. The price for this one is 799 rupees. This is how the packaging looks like. It's a bullet lipstick and it feels really luxurious. It has this logo printed, Starstruck by Sunny Leone. And this is how the swatch looks. It's beautiful shade. And this is how it looks on me. So yeah guys, this was all I received in my February GlamEgo box. I was so waiting for this month's box because I got to know from their Instagram page that Starstruck is going to launch in GlamEgo, in February GlamEgo box. So I was very excited and I'm so happy with the box this month. And if you guys want to get your own Starstruck by Sunny Leone lipstick, then I'll leave the link in the description box, also on the screen, so that you can go directly and order your February GlamEgo box. So go hurry and order your GlamEgo box because there are very limited stock in this. So yeah, this was it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.